everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Yadira in case you guys are new here, and for today's video I am going to be doing my everyday glowy makeup routine. This isn't a makeup look that I do every single day. I don't usually do a glowy makeup look, but whenever I do a glowy makeup look and I just want to keep it very simple and it's like I'm just running some errands or something like that, then this is what I do. I do have a separate glowy makeup look in case I do actually go out to like a party or some event or something like that. Makeup look is just something that is very simple and something that is just very minimal. So if you guys want to see my everyday glowy makeup routine, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and this is supposed to give you like a very dewy look, and I actually like this product because it does give me a dewy look, and then at the same time to me it's very hydrating at first, but then it gets kind of like tacky, but it still doesn't dry off my face, which is why I like this product. And then it's very like shimmery. So with this product, what I usually do is just try to focus it more on like the high points of my face, so like right here and then on my forehead, because that's where I want most of the glow to go. So I just make sure I apply this all over, but I make sure that I really focus it on like those high points of my face. And yeah, I already look kind of like sweaty, so you guys can see like that glow pretty much, but it kind of looks like I'm sweating. But for foundation I use the L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Infallible Pro Glow, and this foundation I love. It is really good quality for a drugstore product. This really makes your face glow. Like if you guys are looking for a glowy foundation, I definitely recommend this one because it does give you that glow. And then on top of the primer, it just looks really good and like really flawless. I really do like how these two work well together, and they really give you like that nice glow. And these are the two products that I usually use whenever I'm trying to achieve a glowy look. And I don't know, I just think it looks really nice. They work very well, and yeah, it doesn't like look bad, because sometimes I'll apply a primer and it doesn't go well with the foundation, or sometimes just like the foundation doesn't go well with the primer that I really like. So these two, I just feel like they are actually a good combination. After that, this is when I start focusing on the rest of my face. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on my eyes. So for my eyes today, I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is by L'Oreal, and I really like this mascara because it does give that nice volume to your eyelashes. Like if you guys are looking for a new mascara, definitely give this a try. For lips today, I am using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Gloss, and this is an 8-hour lip gloss. So it's basically a matte lip gloss. So it does come off like a lip gloss. It's very shimmery, but it has like that matte texture, and it does last all day. So this is what I usually go for whenever I want that glowy look, because on top of that, I don't just focus on my face, I also want my lips to kind of have like that lip gloss feel. So this is what I usually put on. I'm very like a nude slash browns type of person, so this is like the first thing that I grab whenever I am doing a glowy makeup look. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it does have like that shimmery lip gloss look to it, but it does feel matte and it does last all day. Now moving on to highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm using this one. This is from LA Girl. So for highlighter, I grab a little amount always. I don't try to like do too much, because since this is like my everyday glowy makeup look, I like it to look as natural as possible. So I just make sure that I don't go too overboard with the makeup look. So this is more of like a simple glowy makeup look, but I do have more of a going out glowy makeup look. But this is more of like an everyday glowy makeup look. But anyways, this is pretty much all I do. I just put on some primer, some foundation, always mascara, and some lips, and then some highlighter. Alright guys, so this is gonna be it for today's makeup look. I know it was very quick because for my everyday glowy makeup look, I try to keep it very simple. I don't do a glowy look every single day, but whenever I do, and it's just like a going out type of thing, like I'm just gonna go to the store and run some errands and stuff like that, I try to keep it more like natural and more simple. But whenever I'm actually going to a party or anything like that, then that's when I do a more like glowy makeup look. But because this is very simple and it's more of an everyday makeup look, I just try to keep it as natural as I can and use as little products as I can. So anyways, this is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe while you're already here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!